The online coaching industry has been rising like never before. This is honestly the best time to get started. Having an online coaching or consulting business is very lucrative and is the best way to do something that you love and also get paid for it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jamie, a business and financial coach. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about all the different ways that you can monetize your online coaching or consulting business. So keep on watching. Once you have your expertise and experience all packaged together, meaning that you know and have a clear understanding of what you're going to be offering and who your ideal clients are, then you can move on to figuring out how you will offer your services. How are you going to monetize everything that you are offering online? So let's dive right in. So the first way is by offering one-on-one coaching. And this is great because it gives you the opportunity to work with your ideal clients at a one-on-one level. And not only this, but you also get to decide how long your coaching program will be for and how you will conduct your coaching sessions. If they're going to be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Also, this is honestly the best way to sell at high ticket price because you get to give that one-on-one attention to your clients and you get to personalize everything that you are coaching them through or consulting them through, showing them the step-by-step roadmap, and everything that you will be providing the client will also be personalized because it all depends on their specific situation and what goals they're trying to reach and accomplish. So one-on-one coaching is great, and also you can decide how you want to price this, if it's going to be hourly or if you're just going to package everything together and sell it like that. Next is offering group coaching, and this can be done with 5, 10, or even more clients that all have a specific problem in common and that are looking for a specific result. And you can conduct your group coaching sessions online via video conferencing, which I highly recommend. And also you can price it as a group coaching package and just make sure that you have all the details of how long the coaching program is for, everything that you offer, and what are the results that they will be receiving. Next is creating a mini course depending on your area of expertise. So if you're, for example, focusing on marketing because that is your niche, then you would create the course around that topic. And if you have more than one expertise, then you could definitely create more than one mini course. And the way that you would price it is it depends how long the course is for and everything that is being offered. For example, the course itself with the videos, and if you're going to include any PDFs or any templates or any worksheets, then you would also include that in the price. Next is to create an ebook and sell it on Amazon or any retailer online. And to create an ebook, you would again focus on your expertise, and you can provide an ebook that is informational or motivational or practical, giving a step-by-step solution to one specific problem. And to price your ebook, it really all depends how big the ebook is. I mean, there are ebooks that are very small, only a few pages, or more that they're larger because they have more information. So it really all depends on what you'll be creating. Next would be to create a membership site. So your clients, in order to have access to the membership site, would have to pay a fee, and this fee could be paid on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis. And in the membership site, what you would include are maybe videos, again focusing on your area of expertise, maybe downloadable worksheets, maybe templates that they can use, and any other information. So this is a great way to have that passive income coming into your coaching or consulting business every single month or yearly. If you are interested in starting any of these online businesses, but you're not sure where to start, make sure that you check out the free training that I have put together where it gives you my 4-step framework on how to start, build, and scale a coaching or consulting business to 6 figures. The link is in the description. So moving on to the next way that you can monetize your online business is by being a guest speaker at larger events. And these can be events in your local area or even out of state or internationally, depending on, how far you're willing to travel and obviously how much they're going to pay you to be a guest speaker. Next would be to offer a workshop to your ideal clients, and this could be a workshop that could last all day, or it could be a workshop that can last an hour or two. It really depends on everything that you will be covering during that time. And you can host this online via Zoom, or you can do it locally and charge per workshop, because it would be like a event that day. So it really depends on what you'll be covering and exactly how many people you are going to allow to join the workshop. And very similar to hosting a workshop either locally or online is by doing webinars, which is pretty much the same thing. Let's say, for example, that you are in the marketing niche and you want to show people how they can use social media to market their business, maybe specifically focusing on Facebook or on Instagram. This is, again, a workshop or a webinar that you can do online, since now most businesses are online and everything is conducted on Zoom nowadays. You could definitely monetize from this. You would, just similar to hosting a live workshop, you can sell tickets and make sure people register via Zoom to attend your workshop. All right, so I just gave you a list of all the different ways that you can monetize your online coaching or consulting business. But I just also want to let you know that you can also have a coaching program or a group coaching program and also have an ebook or have a workshop or be a guest speaker. You can combine most of these together so that way you can start creating active income and passive income into your business and into your life. I hope this video was helpful. For more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day and blessed week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.